Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on Dodge Dart, and we're going to show you if your rear door does not open from the inside guys. Let's say rear left or rear right door does not open from the inside guys. What is the most common reason for that? Okay, most common reason for that guys, and we'll explain what else it could be. So make sure to stay until the end. It could be 3 different things guys. But one of them, 90% of the time, that's the reason guys. So, quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car, including this, every car we get at the shop, including guys, this generation Dodge Dart. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you guys here as much money as we can. So, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys want to save even more on car parts, tools, anything like that guys, replacement parts for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all that from. So let's go ahead, start on it and show you guys how to do that now. Now this is a 2015 Dodge Dart, and the rear door does not open from inside rear left door, but the rear right, as I said, will be the same way. We're going to go ahead and explain what can cause that now guys. Let us show you quick. If you have any questions, leave a comment below guys. So we'll go ahead, remove the door panel. Okay, we need to remove the door panel and then we'll get to the problem and explain how to fix it. So make sure you stay with us now until the end. So next, let's show you guys what we need to do. We need to remove a few covers here for the door panel guys, because we have hidden screws and bolts somewhere. So right here now, what we're doing on the left side will be exactly the same for the right side as well. But we need to remove, okay, that cover somehow. Okay, just grab it, pull it out. Why we need to remove it? Because we have guys a hidden bolt or screw there with a 7mm socket, from what it seems like. So if you need to buy any tools, parts, anything like that, check out guys the link in the description of the video below. So, or it's a little bit bigger, maybe it's an 8. Let's check it out. Okay, as you can see, we have quite a few things spilled there. We have coffee and something else, so definitely guys, okay, we need to clean it, otherwise, okay, we cannot get the socket on top of it because of all that stuff, all that material. I'm trying to focus a little bit so you can see, but there is quite a few things here that actually prevent it from getting loose. So it is a 7mm guys. We just had so much coffee or cappuccino, something spilled there really sticky that we couldn't get the socket on. We thought it was 8, but it's actually a 7mm. That way you will know for sure which one is yours. So this one is out. What about another one guys? Okay, we have another hidden one under a cover, under the interior door handle, right there. Perfect. This cover came out. Let me show you. You have 3, okay, 3 clips holding it in place. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now we have another one with a 10mm socket. Okay, it's coming loose, but we need to replace the battery on the impact because it's been extremely cold here in the shop and at night it died. Now, as you can see, we have another screw right here. Do not remove this one now guys, because this is holding the interior door handle to the door panel. This one stays there. The only bolt that we'll need to actually remove now is only that 10mm. And for some reason it seems like those, okay, sometimes are super tight. I don't know why, but sometimes they're super tight. So, okay, with the new battery, no problem. Came out with this. This is the bolt right there. Now, that for now, okay, let's remove that cover here. Make sure we don't have anything there, because sometimes we may have something. We'll need to leave the door panel up later. You're going to see why. This one has only 2 clips. Don't drop it like we did. Okay, let me focus quick. 1 clip here, 1 over there. And this one is out too. Now we need to get a plastic panel removal too, and we need to start, okay, getting those door clips loose guys. So if we pry it like that, you can get a, okay, even a screwdriver, but you have to be extremely careful. I recommend only panel removal tools. Those clips on Dodge, okay, they're really complicated. We'll have the replacement ones in the description of the video below, because those are really, guys, okay, really easy to break. By the way, you can see, okay, how tight that door panel is. So we'll need to go ahead and break quite a bit to get them loose, and sometimes they're in two different components, middle part of the clip and the outer part. And if when you remove the door panel, sometimes they will break and you will have to replace them, so be prepared for that. So with the panel removal to the metal one, now the plastic one we won't be able to do that though. Okay, you just need to find where the clips are and push there. Okay, and when you do that, it should come loose. Okay, this one came loose too on this side. We just need to go up. You need to go all the way deep, guys. Otherwise it's not gonna work. Nope, you cannot go like that. You have to go the other way. Nope, the other way. Like this one. Yep. That's how they come off on this one. You cannot push towards the inside. Then when it gets loose at one point, see if you can grab it with your hands and shake it, pull it. Okay, after that you need to lift it up to come out of the canal, and now we need to disconnect a few cables, guys. Okay, and we need to, okay, one thing that we forgot, we had to remove the window switch, okay, before we actually remove the door panel. So let us show you how to do that now, so we can disconnect the door panel. Plastic panel removal too, go ahead and get that switch out. It has 4 clips. Let us show you quick where the clips are located. Okay, those metal things, press in, pull out, and now we have more room. Also, right here we'll have one wire, okay, that we need to disconnect. Okay, and now we'll have more room to show you everything about the cables and all that stuff. So now let us explain, guys, what can cause that. Now you can see this is your interior door handle on the inside. Now if the door doesn't open from the inside, guys, check your first the child lock settings. Okay, some of you may forget that you have that. If it's activated, you will not be able to open the door from the inside, so check that, guys. Second, okay, the most common reason, guys, okay, is either broken interior door handle or a cable that is loose right here from the mount. So this is the door handle now, and what is happening, okay, let me show you now. I'm going to actually go ahead and lock the door manually. Okay, I'll lock it. Here is the lock. Check it out. We'll pull the handle. Nothing happens, guys. Nothing happens at all. So why? Because this cable, guys, there is nothing that holds it in place. This cable is supposed to come, okay, right here. Maybe it wasn't installed correctly. Okay, you can see, and it came loose. You need to push it all the way in. Okay, all the way. Okay, here one click. Okay, another click, guys. You can see these two things need to go in, otherwise it can come loose. And if that's not the case, cable may be installed here. It may be a broken ball cable or interior door handle right here, guys. And now if we pull the door handle, okay, the door should unlock. Check it out now. Okay, and you can see now, okay, you can see the lock, unlock, all that works correctly, guys. So if that's not the case, what else it could be, guys? Number one will be that cable being loose. What about what else it could be? It could be that, guys, the door lock actuator being faulty, or a cable that fell off the same way like it did here, but from the door lock actuator. And if that's the case, okay, you will need to remove the door lock actuator. We have the video on the channel from start to finish that explains how to remove or how to replace door lock actuator on the rear door, so check it out. But those are, guys, the top reasons why a door may not open from okay, from the inside. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.